Hello everyone. These are the Moscot Lemtosh black demo lenses. And they're demo lenses because I did not get the glass, or I just got the frames. And we'll talk about why. So it takes 2 days from New York to California. And the package is different this time. I got a bag. Look at this. Isn't that nice? 1915 to 25. Celebrating 110 years. So I received this bag, which is really nice. A little bit light, but nevertheless, very, very nice. I also received a news or eyewear type, or the Moscot $1.11. Then you have to our extended Moscot family, and you can get some accessories. It looks like a deck of cards, coffee table book. That would be interesting. A comb, and all the different places that you can shop around the world. Looks like they have one in Australia right here. Okay, let's see. Hold on here. Different color tint glasses. That's nice. And what is it? Which frame is right for you? Interesting. Wow. The Lemtosh Classic. You get, oh yeah, look at that. You get these different looks. Okay. So that's neat. You get a postcard. Unfortunately, there was some tape here, and it ripped that. That's nice. A little postcard. And it had bubble wrap. It was nicely wrapped. Interesting. You got the box. Moscot. Right. Since 1915. Celebrating 110 years. Nice little box. Not tied at all. Usually, the ones that I got at the store that were tied. And here's a string. Okay. Interesting little box. Get some different designs. Different people, different times maybe. Who knows? Oh yeah. So I'm going to put that there. What do we got in here? We got a sticker. That's nice. Maybe I'll put that on my computer. We'll see. A button. Just a button. That says Moscot approved. That's interesting. Okay. And a ruler. Really nice. Got another ruler. Really cool. I like the ruler. And there's nothing else in here. I guess from 1915 to 2025. Interesting. 2025, right? It's 2026. So 111 years, I guess, now. So these boxes are a little bit outdated. Okay. So let's close this up. And again, these are the Lemtosh's black demo lens. Very nice, soft, comfortable. Ah, look at this. They did give me one. Nice. Look at that. I'll give it to Moscot that they give you little nice items. You know, ruler, a sticker, a button. Says Lemtosh's 49s black demo lens. Okay. Okay. Oh, wow. Nice and clean. Huh. A little bit dirty there. Wonder what happened there. Was that me or was that dirty like that already? So it says right here, Moscot Originals, New York City. Some serial number. These are plasticky. Okay. Made in China. Oh no. Maybe that's why they cost a little more. Lemtosh 49, 24, 145, color black. Beautiful, aren't they? The acetate's really nice. The design is really classic in many ways. Now, let's compare that to these, the ones that I wear. But before we do that, I'm gonna need some glasses to put on because I can't. Fortunately, I sometimes need glasses all the time to read, which is not cool. Okay, so you can see how the acetate brings in, you know, different oils and stuff. This one is, wow, let's clean this. Let's clean this too right here. Wow, super dirty. Says Lemtosh's 49, 24, 145. Okay, as you can see, it has they pick up the oils, and so they turn a little bit white. They seems to be stretched out a little bit. Probably, they are in my head. One thing about these, I got these like 2 years ago, and you can sort of see it there, kind of, that when you buy the glass, right, or the lenses, right, if you buy the lenses, they come with some type of coating on it, some anti-reflective coating, an AR coating. The crazy thing is that it peels off within a year, and they're very expensive. Even with 2-year warranty, it's like $600 plus the frames. And sometimes they'll give you a discount, maybe 15%. But the strange thing is, on the website, you can't get these as a standard without the coating. Just a standard prescription lens, and they don't do it online. And when you ask them at the store, they seem to be puzzled, which is too bad. They're very nice glasses. can see there, the acetate is staining right here and over here. I asked them if they can buff it. They can't. They don't do that anymore, which is strange. You know, why not buff them and, you know, make them look great? I guess it would cost too much money. I don't know. These are my second pair. The first pair started to peel off like this, and because I have the 2-year warranty, they were able to give me a new set. Well, actually, just new glass, the glass, right? The lens, but they did not buff out the even though they could have, they didn't. So that was a little bit disappointing. So that's how they're going to look. I did take care of them. I used very, very, very little soap to clean them. I even used their spray. It never fell off of my, it didn't fall or and had this touched. And so it just feels that it's probably better, and we'll find out, just to buy the frames, and it comes with the demo lenses, and then have a lab put on the lenses, which will be probably less expensive, and asking them don't put on any coating. It's going to look great. When you get these new with the prescription, fabulous, beautiful. And they adjust it for you, no problem. Reminds me of Sun Hut back in the day when you would buy something and they would be like, yeah, we can adjust it, and they would have a certain guarantee. So these are really nice. Very beautiful. You can see that the luster on them, it's really nice. I mean, again, this is about a year old. They hold. There's a lot of character in this. And we'll find out how much it would be to put some lenses. Nice. Okay, let me put these on. Price-wise, it's they're around $340, I think, something like that. The demo versions. Actually, I have. They gave me this one time for free, which was really nice. I think it's a little bit smaller. I think these are nicer. Not as hard as this, though. But these fit really nice. Look at that. I think it's pleather. And it came with a nice lens cloth. Very light. But I also do have the clip-ons. Maybe that's why I don't use this, because it won't fit. Look at that. Barely fits in there. But it's really nice. And I bet you these, you could probably put the clip-ons. Yeah, maybe. Oh, we should have seen this, right? How does it fit in there? You can see it's easily, what are these, millimeters? Yeah, these are not inches. It's probably millimeters. Definitely. Okay. Let's put this ruler in here. Doesn't fit. Let's put this back. Okay. So you get an idea of the Lemtoshes from Moscot. If you have any questions, please put it into the comment section. And I hope you have a great semester. All right. Bye-bye.